Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how I fix my AC. This is my homemade machine for charging and discharging the refrigerant in the car. Now here I replaced the gas canister. I put an empty one because it's easier for the compressor to pump the Freon out. And this scale I use to weigh the gas canister with the Freon. This is how I know how much I take out and I put in. As you can see, the pressure is dropping slowly. The refrigerant is taken out by the compressor. Now here I'm just taking the valve out and look what I found. This is the thing that stops the Freon flowing through the system. As you can see, it's really dirty. Now normally the advice is to replace this valve, but I replaced it like 2 years ago and the thing still works, but sometimes makes low pressure. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of particles on the bottom of the cup. The fact that I have metal shavings is not like the end of the world for this AC system, but it's not a good sign either. After cleaning it and putting everything back together and put Freon on the car, I just got it out and take it for a test drive. Car is already blowing really cold AC. It's like you can hardly stay in the car. Yeah, this is very nice. So the faulty thing, it was that valve that opens and closes the AC circuit. But it's rarely the case it's faulty, it's just dirty with metal particles and this kind of stuff. I hope this video is gonna help you if you have the same problem as me. It's not always the case your compressor is bad, it's actually just that valve that gets clogged. So thanks very much for watching and see you next time.